Canva just quietly dropped this animation tool, and honestly, it might be one of the coolest hidden features they've added. If you've ever wanted to make your travel videos, presentations, or social media posts look more polished without learning complicated editing software, this is definitely worth checking out. Watch this. It zooms in, flies across the map, and lands right on your destination. The movement feels smooth, cinematic, and surprisingly professional. And the crazy part? This takes like 2 minutes to make. Let me show you exactly how. First, open up Canva and start a new design. I'm just going to use a YouTube thumbnail size for this example, but honestly, this works on any design type. Instagram post, presentation, whatever you're working on. You can even use it for TikTok videos, Facebook posts, school projects, or business presentations. The animation automatically adjusts to the size of your design, so you don't have to worry about complicated settings. Now head over to the Apps tab on the left side, and in the search bar, just type in Map. You'll see a bunch of map options pop up, but the one we want is called Map Video. Go ahead and click on that. If you haven't explored Canva apps before, they're basically small built-in tools that add extra features without leaving Canva, and this is definitely one of the most useful ones. This is where it gets fun. First, pick how long you want the animation to run. I'll go with 10 seconds. Then choose your plain icon style. I like this clean one right here. Now pick your starting country, let's say the United Kingdom, and then your destination. I'll choose Australia. Turn on Add Flag so the little flags pop up on the map too. There's also an add text option if you want labels, but I'm skipping that for now to keep it clean. Feel free to experiment with different combinations because every route creates a slightly different animation, and that's what makes this tool so fun to play with. Once you're happy with your settings, hit Create Video. Canva will generate it in just a few seconds. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little longer, but it's usually pretty quick. Then click Add to Design, and boom, it drops right onto your canvas, ready to edit just like any other Canva element. Now let's set this as our background so it fills the whole frame. You can resize it if needed, crop it slightly, or layer text and graphics on top. And if I hit play, look at that. It zooms into the UK, then smoothly flies all the way over to Australia. That transition alone makes this look so much more premium than a static map. It's the kind of animation that normally takes dedicated motion graphics software, but Canva handles it with just a few clicks. If you want to customize it even further, you can add your own title, destination name, logo, music, or even transition into another video clip afterward. It works really well as an intro before your main content starts. And because it's already inside Canva, you don't need to export and re-import anything while editing. Last step, exporting. Click Share in the top right, then Download. Make sure the file type is set to MP4 since this is a video, and hit Download. You can also choose the video quality if you want a smaller file size or the highest resolution available. Give it a few seconds to render, and that's it. Your flight animation is ready to use. From there, you can upload it directly to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or wherever you want to share it. You could use this for a travel vlog intro, a moving announcement, a destination wedding invite, vacation recaps, geography lessons, client presentations, business pitches, tourism promotions, or even countdown videos for an upcoming trip. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. It's a simple feature, but it adds a level of polish that instantly makes your content stand out. And the best part is, you didn't need After Effects or any complicated software. Just Canva. If this saved you some time, drop a like. It really helps this channel out. And if you want more quick Canva tips like this, hidden Canva features, and easy tutorials that make your designs look more professional with minimal effort, make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next one.